It is crazy hot here. So I am at Jared Pink's place, the Questionable Garage. That's a Red Eye Hellcat pickup truck. Been out in that. It's on video somewhere. It's got like 900 genuine horsepower. Crazy fast. There's an old Supra there. A few other bits, but hunting the Corvette, I've been told, it's in here. Now, Jared will also be in here. There's Jared. There it is. Hey, dude.
So this is why the Corvette randomly showed up.
Yeah, you know. Yeah.
British man playing Yank.
Well, the engine's broken, as you probably know.
I didn't. Corvette showed up, and so the big burnout probably wasn't good.
No.
It doesn't sound broken.
Not yet. No, it's definitely broken. It's spun. The shells on the crank, and the chap I got it from's replaced those shells, but we need.
So it's good enough for now, but
yeah, we need a Questionable Garage engine in it.
There you go. So this is your first time seeing a Corvette?
Yes.
Well, no, you've seen them.
I've seen them, but not been up close to them. I've been up near Joe Petralia's one.
Never kept up with him, though, to really get a good look at his.
Yeah, no, just disappear. It's different. It's different. I've got to change those wheels.
I mean, they're appropriate for the period. That's sticker. My friend Steve Eskew, Murloc Racing, he gave that for the Duster for our Southern Classic run, and figured this was appropriate for you to have on the car as well.
It looks better than I thought.
They're sharp-looking cars. You can't. A C4, C5 is kind of like your best cheap Corvette, but for what we like to do, you can't get a C5. So C4 is the next best thing.
Yeah,
I mean, made these from what, 81 to like 94.
It looks pretty, apart from the wheels. I'm gonna have to change the wheels. So this is a 42-year-old car, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're the same age. It looks better than I do for the age, though.
I don't know. Oh my god.
How does that feel? Does it look like a cockpit or what?
It's very retro.
Let me get your beautiful sliding in. You'd have to be on camera for this.
Oh, should be. Right. Okay.
We'll go the front angle, so Spencer, so it's more graceful. No one looks good from the rear climbing in.
I don't think anyone looks good climbing in. Okay, I mean.
The Corvette fall. Because, yeah, you have that giant hump there. Like, you sit literally down into the car. There you go, so you can...
Why is it so hot here?
This is normal.
What's that?
Oh, that's your wiper switch.
On the door?
On the door. Here, close the door. I mean, it'll be warm, but...
Oh, thanks.
It'll feel like a racing cockpit. Ready?
It kind of does. It does, actually. It does. I saw this online. Okay.
I don't know if the AC works. You can give that a try.
Oh.
Square key. Round key is doors. Square key is ignition. And bidding down.
Oh, no. Okay. Will it even start? Okay, we have numbers. We have bleeping. Oh, it's so hot in here. Okay, let's see if it'll start. She starts.
That's the sound you wanted, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it needs to be louder.
Remember, you're going to be in the car for many hours at a time. I can tell you after the Duster, you want it a little quiet. The Duster between the exhaust and the rear end.
It does sound good.
it'll make sense when we tear it apart.
What
I know
do
you
mean
weren't
we tear
planning
it
on it, but
apart?
you're here for 2 days and I can't work.
But my hands.
Yeah.
Look. I gotta tear it apart.
Yeah, I mean, I'm going to point. I'm limited on what I'm able to do right now, so we're about to learn how to tear apart a Corvette.
Okay.
But, do you want to drive it a little?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes, I need to have a little drive of this. Oh, that was a horrible noise.
Oh, no, remember how you didn't like felines?
Yes.
I'm thinking they might have already been evicted from the vehicle.
Okay. Oh. I've got the screen here, but
Yeah, the screen.
apparently the air conditioning is here. So we've got it on low.
So that top one is off. That's air conditioning max.
Okay.
And then that fan's turned on.
Yes.
There you go.
We have cool air that smells coming through.
Oh, that smells like the 80s. What are you talking? That's 80s Americana right there.
That does smell like the 80s. My car smells like the 80s. Okay, so here I am. It's not my most dignified look.
Someone sweated on your door there, sorry.
Yeah, Jared sweated on my door. I like noise. Oh, it sounds good. Apart from that weird hissing noise. Yeah, I'm going to reverse this out. I'm going to have a little, just drive up and down the road with it. Yeah, it's kind of cool. It's really cool. I mean, I've been hunting this thing for months. And yeah, yeah, this, it's a keeper. Okay. Big moment. Okay, I've got her in reverse. Oh, this is so worrying. Okay. Right, I'm going to go drive this thing now.
Little left hand. Hold that left hand down a little more. Left hand. Hold it right there. I've come in and out a whole lot. The lift is terrible for pulling in and out of, but it's good for filming. More left. There you go. Now you should be good to kind of use your mirrors out. I can hear it a little bit. There's a little tick, 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 tick. So I think that was the one drive we had on those bearings.
Oh yeah, I think it didn't feel too good going up the road. So I think it's going to let go.
There's just a little.
Yeah, I got my oil pressure's down to like 48.9.
Oh no! So you normally want about 10 psi per RPM. These will sometimes be down to like 20 hot. So that's not. You'll sometimes see 8. But it's more like at 6,000, you want minimum 60, things like that. So
I don't know how to get the lights up. So if you flash the lights, they don't come up. I've got no lights there. I've got no lights there.
turn, or is it pull? There you go.
Oh,
You need
the
to.
lights.
So flip them back down, and then what we need to do is, I'll do it so you can watch it, because you can kind of see it. It's a crazy little.
It's so cool.
Wait till you're outside to see it.
I'll go do it again. I like that.
Pop up and down headlights. What do the donut media guys say? Pop up and down headlights, something. It's hard to get it all out. So let's get her inside before Rodney exits the chat,
Yes.
so we have something to rebuild. Little to your right. Now start over. Straight for a second. Hard to your left. Straight. That'll do it. Cooling fans came on.
Yeah.
It's doing all the things the car should do. So.
That's the last time that engine in this configuration is running.
Yep.
Now the mad scientist, the questionable garage, is about to. I was going to say he's going to pull the car apart, but apparently I'm doing this, and I'm not very good with a spanner. I'm notoriously not good with a spanner. So let's see what happens.
The good news is we have wrenches here, though,
Yes,
not spanners.
yes, wrenches. Maybe I'll be better with a wrench instead of a spanner.